Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to add the J calendar in NetBeans, right? When you install the NetBeans, if you go to the palette, you can't see the J calendar, right? It's not coming defaultly. We have to get it. Okay, how to get it here is go to the Google and type J calendar jar and search it. You can have a website here, right? You just click on the link. This is the name of the website. You just click on the link. It goes to the respective website for download. It shows the all the components look. This is the your J calendar components are look like this. Okay. So here these are the all the all the plugins are there from the single jar file. Okay. So here this is a simple this is a zip file. Okay. You click on this one. If you click, it will be getting downloaded. Okay, I already downloaded it. So I am going to import it into my project. So how to import into the project? I just open the project. So here go to the tools. Okay, tools, palette. In the tools palette, where you are going to put it. Okay, I am going to put into a palette. So palette, this is a palette. Okay, here palette, swing WT components. Here they are all the components are there. Where you are going to put it? I am going to put it the swing container, swing controllers. If you want to put swing controllers, I just click the swing controllers over here. Okay. Here I am going to where I am going to put into that J calendar. Jar. Click on this one. Click add from jar. I put it to my E drive. Here I am going to put J calendar. J calendar jar. I am going to get it here. This one. This is the things, right? Okay. If you download it, it's coming as a zip file. If you extract it, it become a normal folder look like this. You double click and open the jar file. Sorry, lib folder here. This all things I just select this one. Hold on the shift key down and select all. Hold on the shift key down and select all. Click next. I need all J calendar, J all things I needed. Here we have to select all. Click and select all. Click next. I need via swing controller. I am to install it. Under swing controller, I am to get it to all the J calendars. Okay. Click finish. Close it. Now you will be able to see the all the J calendar component inside the swing controller. Under swing controller, you will be able to see. Okay. It asks where you are going to add it. I added under the heading of swing controller. So I just select and import it. You can get it here. These are all things. Okay. Now let's test it. Go to the file, new project, Java application. Click next. If it's a create class, I am going to uncheck it. Project name, I am going to put it as a J calendar. Right. All right. Okay. Finish. Right here. Now here what I am going to say, go to the here, select the source package, new JFrame4 calendar. Click finish. You have to start with the capital. Right. Now here, if you can check here, if you drag here, the first time it will be showing here. Okay, this here, simply here show here. J chooser, you can see here. Date chooser here. You can various date choosers are there. Right here, this is things. So various date choosers are there. Month. These also are coming along with here. Right. Okay. This is not here. Okay. These all things are coming there. Okay. You will be able to download and use it. Okay. Very simple. Mostly we are using this one. Okay. We simply date chooser. Okay. The day choosers also there. Sorry, this one I put it here. Day chooser, the date chooser, all the things are there. Okay. The simple calendar will be imported into NetBeans. I teach. Okay. I hope you guys you understood so far. Here, if you click on this particular date picker, here there will be the properties. If you click on property, go to the property, you can check here properties, all things are border, no here border, if you want to the border you can give the border as well here, like so many border, line border, the color also you can give here, the thickness if you have put it 2 you can notice that here. Okay, this one here you can type tooltip, also you can apply tooltip here, calendar, enter is a tooltip. There will be there are various here, your date, you can check your date, custom format, anything else. Okay, you can check here date, here this is a date format string, here a default can month, date, year, you can check, you can customly you can check it here. Okay, there are various properties are there, you can click here. Okay, here the maximize the maximum date and time, here this is format look like this, if you want you will be able to change the format and all. Here this is the things, this is a property, it will be indicated, very simple for the user, very simple to focus. Okay, so let's execute the code and check. Okay, this is execute code, so click on this one, so here build, right, now it's executed right here, simply, very simple here, it's very simple, user friendly. This all are here user friendly. Here you can put it the language, we have which the language you have selected, this all the things are there. Here is a month chooser, you will be able to see the month. Okay, it's a month chooser, this is a date chooser, this is a date chooser. Okay, it's all simple. Okay, according to the your project you can use this all the stuff. Okay, thank you for watching. If you have any doubt on this you can ask me anytime. If you like my channel please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.